2023 Honda Pilot. This one came to us at less than 5,000 miles. Gorgeous condition overall. Going from Pennsylvania to California. We'll ship anywhere, by the way. This one's in the preparation stage. Airbox, splash shields, all the miscellaneous stuff bagged up. We'll put that inside the hood, or in the engine compartment rather, before we ship it. Band it down just as tight as everything else, cover it up. All cooling is still in place, right? Condenser and fans. And this is the final product. This is roughly the size of a small shed. It weighs 1,234 pounds, and we're shipping it to California. We do fully insure it. We obviously build a slant to this roof of this skid. The reason for that is so they don't set anything on top of it. You see all the stickers that say no top freight. They will completely disregard that. So if you're ordering something like this and it shows up and it doesn't look like this, if any of this plastic wrap is torn, if there's holes anywhere, if it looks like it's been messed with in any fashion, you need to immediately tell the driver, hey, I think something's been done to this, something's been set on top of it, there could be some damage inside, I'd like to file a claim. You must do that at the point of delivery. You can't wait until after he leaves. If that rare occurrence does happen, give me a call and let me know, and we'll get to work right away. If you don't make the claim and the driver leaves, it's a bad situation. It's very difficult to make any claims after the fact. So this is what it looks like. If you have any questions, please give me a call, 800-222-2528. My direct extension here is 112. My name's Jared. Thanks for watching.